Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Garden pests come in many forms, and whether they're insects, diseases, or weeds, there are products that can help you in your fight against them. For roses and flowers, use a good dual action product like Bio-Advanced 2-in-1 Systemic Rose and Flower Care. This product feeds your plants and protects against insects like aphids, whiteflies, and leaf miners for up to 8 weeks. For your fruit and vegetable gardens, you want to be sure to use only products that are labeled for edibles, like Spinosad, that is completely safe to use on edibles and is even recommended for organic gardening. For those of you who prefer to use only organic products, there are things such as insecticidal soap, horticulture oil, neem oil, and BT worm killer. These products do not have a long-lasting effect, so keep a close watch on flowers and vegetables for early signs of pests and treat whenever you see them present. For trees and shrubs that do not produce edible parts, there are products that will control insects for a much longer time. These products contain systemic insecticides that are absorbed into the system of the plant and kills the pest as they feed on it. For nuisance pests, like ants, earwigs, and roaches, use Ortho Home Defense to spray both inside and outside your home. Other pests that people ask about controlling here are rabbits and birds. There are many products on the market that are made to repel animal pests by producing an odor, taste, or sound that will discourage them. One example is Shake-Away critter repellent granules that can be effective for rabbits, squirrels, and other small critters. Another is Bird Begone flash tape to discourage birds. For the most reliable protection, I recommend the physical barriers such as bird block netting, chicken wire, or garden fencing to protect your plants and crops. Weeds are another common pest this time of year. For rocked areas, driveways, or around taller trees and shrubs, use Roundup or Burnout spray directly on the leaf surface of weeds or grasses that you want to eliminate. Just be sure to not get the spray on leaves of plants that you want to keep. For lawn weeds, use a broadleaf weed killer that will not harm your turf grass. For more information on this topic, visit us at starnursery.com or our Star Nursery app for your smartphone. And don't forget, we make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.